The RQ-170 Sentinel and the Shahed-171 simorgh are both unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, but they serve different purposes and are developed by different countries. Both UAVs are primarily used for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering, but the Shahed-171 also emphasizes combat capabilities. The LMRQ-170 Sentinel manufacturer is Lockheed Martin and the manufacturer of Shahed-171 simorgh is HESA. The LMRQ-170 Sentinel first fly in 2009 and the Shahed-171 simorgh in 2014. Both employ stealth features with a flying wing design, but the RQ-170's technology is likely more advanced given the US's greater resources and expertise in stealth technology. RQ-170 Sentinel uses a classified small jet engine, speculated to be a variant of the General Electric TF-34 or similar. Shahed-171 simorgh uses an Iranian-made turbojet engine. RQ-170 Sentinel, estimated subsonic speed around 300 to 500 knots, 345 to 575 miles per hour or 555 to 925 kilometers per hour. Shahed-171 simorgh, estimated subsonic speed around 300 to 400 knots, 345 to 460 miles per hour or 555 to 740 kilometers per hour. RQ-170 Sentinel, estimated service ceiling of approximately 50,000 feet, Shahed-171 simorgh, estimated service ceiling of around 40,000 to 45,000 feet. RQ-170 Sentinel, weapons, none, designed for ISR missions, Shahed-171 simorgh, weapons, capable of carrying guided missiles and bombs, suitable for precision strikes and combat operations. RQ-170 Sentinel, estimated operational range of 2,780 to 4,630 kilometers. Shahed-171 simorgh, estimated operational range of 1,850 to 2,780 kilometers.